good morning everyone. Nandito ako sa Horseshoe Beach guys. So, dami ng tao dito. Naliligo. Yan guys oh. Maganda na yung mga puan nila oh. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo guys oh. Dami ng tao oh. Yung mga turista oh. Puno na yung tao itong dagat. Yan guys, tingnan nyo. Maganda kasing panahon ngayon, parang hindi masyadong mainit. Kaya puno ng daming tao dito. Kasi kahapon kita ko yung dalawang cruise ship doon sa dockyard. Maganda tingnan yung mga payong nila eh. At saka low tide ngayon, mababaw lang doon no. Sa tabi. Tabing dagat, mababaw lang yun. Dami ng tao dito hanggang doon yan sa dulo ayan guys, so maganda tingnan yung mga payong Horseshoe Beach, Bermuda Island. This is a public beach. Is famous for tourists. They like to come here. This is their favorite spot. Horseshoe Beach, Bermuda Island. Most of the beaches here is public. That's why lots of tourists came here to swim. Kasi parang hindi siya malalim ngayon sa low tide, hindi maalon. Ang ganda, very calm the weather, very calm, it's not windy. It's not windy today. It looks nice, the weather today in Bermuda. White sand and the rock formation looks beautiful here. It's a lovely day today. See, very nice weather. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you everyone.